FTT token, and why is this pumping right now? Okay, it's been pumping for a considerable amount of time considering FTX exchange has shut down. I'm going to be going into a price prediction of what we could be expecting for this asset over the next few weeks, months, and maybe even years here to see what we can be expecting from a gain perspective, how much money we can actually make from even holding this asset. Okay, I'm also going to be going into a little bit of news as to why this is pumping and potential price predictions of what we could be expecting for the next bull run for FTT. So starting off with the TA, from a TA standpoint right now, I just want to be looking at this in terms of market structure, guys. You can see obviously very, very bullish. We're breaking highs, really strong high broken here. And in terms of higher lows that have been set, guys, I just want to come back down and check this low for FTT. Obviously, the low is going to be right around here. Yeah, so that's going to be the bear market low for us to be referencing there. And from there, we've obviously had a nice big move to the upside, breaking it like so. So the next higher low would be in this area here. And then from there, significant pullback from the upside from this massive move there. The low that was set is going to be there. So in terms of market structure, guys, these are the areas that we need to be respecting from a higher low perspective here. You can see we've broken this high, so that confirms this higher low coming down around this area. This is not the confirmed higher low because we haven't broken this high yet. So when we break this high, priced at around it's around $6 actually. When we break this high at priced at around $6, then this will be the confirmed high low at $4.58. And that essentially means, guys, that this is the area we need to respect to keep that bullish market structure. Now, right now, unfortunately, the bullish market structure point is all the way down at $2.78. This obviously means it's a very volatile asset, guys. We can still come down to this area and still be bullish, okay? We can still be bullish, but we need to really break these highs to actually set a new higher low and have that point actually get respected, okay? So even if we do come down to $3, $2, $2.87, 78, that sort of area, we're still bullish, guys. So don't panic. Don't panic. It's still going to be bullish even if we come down to this area. So in terms of an area that could be a buying zone for this asset right now, obviously, it's a bit up in the air, right? Because it is an FTX token, is it FTT? And we did see this in the previous bull run do really well, right? So right now, you're probably asking, like, what can we be expecting from this? Why the hell is this thing pumping? And the question is, guys, it's purely FOMO, okay? It's purely FOMO. Some people are saying that the FTX exchange is going to relaunch in the new year, in January. So that's going to be interesting to see if that does come through, FTX 2.0. But again, guys, remember, there's no certainty that the native token will even be used in restarting the exchange, okay? That essentially means this whole price action here is purely getting investment due to literally pure FOMO and trying to make money, okay? So this is very interesting to see this play out right now. In terms of respectful areas to be looking out for there for pullbacks, for entry points, I would be doing something along the lines of this, guys. Upward sloping parallel channel. Upward sloping parallel channels, they tend to usually break to the downside, okay? So we can be looking for a nice little short position on this asset if we do see a move to the downside coming through. And hey, remember, guys, this is a FOMO asset right now. There's no certainty on whether this native token is going to be used. So it is a FOMO asset. So this essentially means that when people start selling, it's going to crash, okay? So please be aware for that. There's been no confirmation that this token is going to be used for the new launch of FTX. But in terms of a price prediction, guys, let's see how high we could predict this going and how much money there is on the table to be made here with FTT if and only if this FOMO is going to continue and maybe there's some fundamental news for the new FTX exchange that could be in our favor here. So looking at bull market from 2021 here down in September, you saw the all-time highs for this asset coming through around $79, okay? $79 for this asset was absolutely crazy. In terms of a market cap, guys, we saw that up at around 9 billion, I think. Yeah, $9 billion for this asset. Really crazy, okay? So that obviously shows there's a lot of room for growth if we are going to be touching all-time high areas from before. You're probably asking, oh, but what if FTX and what if this token's not going to be tied to the new FTX exchange? It probably won't be, but there will be still FOMO. I mean, if you look at Doge and you look at SHIB with like a $7 or $8 billion market cap, this is currently set at around $1.79 billion. So this basically means there is room for growth. You're probably going to get the FOMO market behind this token, and it probably will explode if we do have a bull run. Just look at the meme coin market, for example, right? So this is stuff that if people see it going up, they will buy it. Okay, and we have seen that example coming through over the last sort of couple of months or so, right? So yeah, what I would say in terms of a price prediction for this asset, if we come up to previous all-time highs, which I mean it's fairly unlikely, but it could happen, then we would be looking at a humongous move to the upside, guys. In terms of percentages, let's did we say 71 was the all-time high for this token? So let's draw a price range in there from the current price, and let's get that all the way up to $71 there on this chart, and that is going to be a 12x, guys. It's going to be a 12x on your current investment right now, and that's pretty goddamn crazy. Okay, pretty goddamn crazy. Is it out of the question? Nope. Can it happen? Absolutely. It really really can. But in terms of selling areas, in terms of market structure on the way up here, we need to be looking at very key points here that are just screaming out for resistance here. $21, $26, $37.3. And again, guys, I'm just going to say, remember, this is a FOMO token. If we start exploding up 50, 60, 70%, even 100%, whatever, we're likely to come back down unless we're forming healthy market structure like we currently are right now. Okay, so that's sort of what I would be looking for here. For FTX, not looking so bad. But yeah, if we are looking at all-time highs from previous bull run, the summary is a 12x. Absolutely crazy stuff, guys. So just please make sure you're careful trading this, because it is obviously very volatile and is powered essentially by FOMO right now, because we haven't got that much fundamental research behind why this token is actually pumping. It's purely just people trying to make money, right? So yeah, that's going to be it from me, guys. Thank you ever so much for watching. I do appreciate it. I'll be back tomorrow with more Bitcoin updates and crypto updates. Make sure you drop a follow on my X account. The link is in the description. And also, guys, I am partnered with a new exchange called BitUnex right now. So go over to their platform. Amazing exchange based in Dubai. No KYC if you want to trade these tokens. Really, really good stuff. But yeah, that's going to be it from me, guys. Thank you ever so much for watching. Peace out. And goodbye from me, Crypto Chester.